why it is so long? Is it like anyways, this looks good. Hello everyone, it's me, Mika, and I'm making the game without the engine, without any off-the-shelf engine, without Unreal, without Unity, without Godot. Writing my code in C++ and using the libraries like BGFX, Jolt Physics, and ours. I'm blacking out, I cannot figure out what languages I'm using. Anyways, today is day 127 since I started on that project, and I'm counting from the day of the first commit, which is February 16th of current year 2026. So it's already had a bunch of the code. It was already 100,000 lines, which most of them I removed. Like the biggest contribution was for mini audio, and I removed that. And the progress is 16.7%. So it's get up to 0.1% from yesterday. I guess every checkbox gives 0.1%. So hopefully my brain is going to work today. Let's see what we have and what kind of... Oh yeah, so now I remember what we are doing. We are doing the stats UI. So here we go. If we open the stats, we have nothing here, and I guess we need to populate it. So how we want to do it? I guess I'll just start doing it slowly. So I have already stats UI class. So let me remember to have the font big so you can read what I'm doing. So it looks good. So I have labels, but I think I would have only... It feels like I would have only one label because everything else... So yeah, let's keep it like this, and everything is going to be labels. Let's put HP here, and let's have HP, and it's going to be make child label. mm, 30 and so Yeah, I probably need to do 2 times 30. Yeah. Um, so it derived from image. UI pass. Let's do it override and get that. Stats UI. So on UI pass, yeah, this one is final. Stats UI. Yeah, that should be fine. So image UI pass render. So I am going to override UI pass in stats UI and pull the data from the player and populate those labels. So I need to get the player and which one it's like I think gameplay has the player. The way to get the player. Okay, so this is the scene and get by type player, so it's gonna work this way. And we actually can make it const and get scene, and we need to include player here. And we need to include scene as well. It's not happy with that. I guess because get by type is not const, and so we need to fix it. So let's go to scene.hpp and look at the get by type. So and implement there is a we can see it's not const, so I think no, I think this is the correct way. Just so to get p yeah, I think that is going to work. I don't know. I need to run compiler and see. Kind of hard to understand. Would it work or not? So we need to make the const version of get by type, which would return that. So let's see if it's gonna compile. Yeah, because I'm touching node and seeing it's recompiling everything. To use dot. Looks like it's gonna compile. There is a not too, it's not too much angry. Okay. Wow, it's compiled. Almost first try. Okay. So we get the player and on the player we can start querying the data. So I'm wondering if I should make the function which return all stats, or I should maybe have like getters for all of them. Yeah, I guess I'll just make bunch of getters. Okay, so tin. So all of that. Auto get level const int get xp, get hp, get mana, get hunger, get thirst, get energy, const double. Okay, and those ones have max variance, max HP. These things already here, so let's duplicate. So I just copy it here. Get next level XP here. man, so these two buttons are next to each other, R and T, and R is run and T is swap between CPP file and header file, source file and header file, and I'm keep pressing R running the game, and I intend to swap between header file and source file. So I need to as well have getters for rates. And I need to get the kind of good names for rates. So there is I don't need all of that. Okay, let's undo. And as well, I mean, it's good to add a const version of getter, but we don't need const version of get by type. So I'll keep it. But in stats UI, we actually do not need to depend on player and scene. We can make it completely independent by providing callbacks here. So when we instantiate stats UI, we can just provide bunch of callbacks which return all stats what we need. I did this thing with the stats hot.hpp. So we have bunch of functions which return percents, like HP percent, mana percent, hunger percent, thirst percent, energy percent, and I can do same thing for stats UI. So I can provide bunch of functions and callbacks, but they should return real double values. So HP, mana, thirst, energy, all that, and as well max values of that, max upcase max values, and I probably should organize them. It's like interleaving. Mana max mana, hunger max hunger, thirst max third. As well, we need to return a level which is integer value, level callback, and XP value which is double as well. I don't know, maybe I should make only one function callback and just have struct stats and that callback will just return stats callback, and it would have that. HP int level player. Next level XP, next level XP, and we need rates. Player.cpp so man HP, so man and HP recovering, hunger, thirst, energy depleting. So there is 5 more parameters. Double HP recovery rate maybe, and mana recovery rate. Hunger depleting rate. I don't know, maybe I'll just call it rate. HP rate, mana rate, hunger rate, thirst rate, and energy rate. So for hunger and thirst, I kind of thought long time, because there is a, I don't know, there is no word in English which representing the opposite of the hunger, like fullness, like a there is no good words like for opposite of the thirst. I'm not thirsty, right? So, and problem with the hunger and thirst, those is increasing over time, but in my stats they are decreasing over time. So the hungrier you are, the lower the number. And I actually do not remember why I decided to do it this way. Maybe I did not decide to do it this way. So maybe I should fix it. So maybe I should hunger to grow. mm, and thirst to grow. So there is a no representation. Oh, so I'm there is no words in the game, right? So it's all symbols. So I don't know, like, yeah, like against here, yeah. So it's all symbols, and then they're going down. It makes sense. It doesn't make sense in the code. So I can put symbols and have stats around symbols. So I can just not to give the names to them. So it's like, well, it's a heart symbol. It's a drop symbol. Yeah, and I can keep in the code that kind of incorrect name. I think it's fine. Energy rate. So I have all that stats, and have that, and stats callback stat function auto stats callback, and then in constructor stats callback stat move from in dot stats callback like this, and here stats equals stats callback. Okay. So that would be not the label, it would be icon. Be right back. Let's go to the player, and in the player there is a HUD UI, stats UI, and here in constructor I should provide stats callback, and it's going to be lambda. So probably get stats. I can do it this way. So just going to call function get stats, and I can put get stats, and so let's do stats.hpp pragma once construct stats, and no wait, stats UI. So from stats UI just copy, put it here. That's it. Stats hpp, and include stats.hpp here. So it's stats hpp would be shared between stats UI and player. So go back to player, include here stats.hpp, and have function called getStats, which would return, it can be const, and it's will return stats struct. Okay, and that would not be angry anymore. It's not angry anymore. And let me implement function get stats const return stats and return is going to be stats. Actually, I can do it this way: return stats dot, and I can put bunch of dots. So let's go to stats dot hpp, get that, put dot here, and start populating level XP, next level XP. So I think it's get next level XP, HP, get max HP, this TBD, HP rate, mana, get max mana, mana rate TBD, hunger, get max hunger, hunger rate TBD, thirst, get max thirst, thirst rate TBD, energy, get max energy, and energy rate. I guess it should be functions, so let's do get HP rate, get mana rate, get hunger rate, get thirst rate, get energy rate. Okay, so I need to implement that functions. HP rate, mana rate, hunger rate, thirst rate, energy rate. And they all const and return double. And let's put it here. Player. So hello my friend, hello physics lab, how you doing? Update stats. So HP rate is is that return times rate, which is divide by 15 divide by 60. So this is HP rate, HP plus get HP rate times DT. So I probably, I don't know, I think yeah, so this is HP rate, this is mana rate, return, and I need to put this one. So this is mana rate, and here I should put get mana rate times DT. These formulas are not right because it can go to negative, which is I don't want to do. Yeah, so I should probably, yeah, fix it. Yeah, let's fix it now. So hunger rate is going to be should I make it negative 3 divided by 15 divided by 60. So and this one is going to be instead max between 0 and hunger plus get hunger rate times dt. So same thing for the thirst. What coefficient was 6? Let me make sure I preserve coefficient is preserved. Thirst, and energy is that. So okay, somehow I lost the dot. Okay, so dot is back. And energy so the formula is always symmetric, just plus. Here's max because it's going down and we can remove that, and here's it mean because it's restoring the mana. So okay, and oh, and stats already implemented. I want, wow. So let's go to stats UI. This is super simple code, right? Let's just do just for fun, set text HP. So I'm on C++ 26, right? I can do format. I never have format, so I'm kind of interested if I can do format. C++ format library, C++ 20. So let's see. So it looks like this. So I can do HP and put here stats.hp, or I can do and or like this, stats HP, stats max HP.
Rydercool asked, is that the new way instead of sprint?
Yeah, it is a new way. I never tried it, so this is I'm trying it for very first time. So because I was on PopOS, and PopOS is like 4 years old, or means like 6 years old, so the compiler is not updated. So I switched to CashOS, and CashOS has latest and greatest compiler, so apparently I can use it now. So I'm going to try it. Stats.hp rate. It's kind of angry. I think there is no setter, just text. So I can just do it like this. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's compiling. Let's see if we are going to see anything. Ooh. it does work, but it's printing a lot of digits.
Cool.
Which I don't like. Yeah, let's me read. So ranges, stat format. I think I can stat format. Stat format. So let's me read. I never used it, so I do not know how to use it. So this is the cool thing.
The format string FMT is checked at compile time unless it is initialized from the result of std:runtime format in C++ +26. At compile time, the format string is found to be invalid for types of the arguments deformatted. A compilation error will be emitted.
So let's check it out if it's going to do these things. So like I'm going to add the extra format here. Would it? Yeah, look at this. It yells at me. That's cool, right? Parameters, format, object represent a format string, ordinary character except which is copied and changed to now escape sequences, which are replaced with respectively an output and placement field. Each replacement has the following format: argid optional, format space, replacement field without format space, replacement argid, the basic type and star string type, the format star format as the chrono types, temperature chrono format specification, the range types, temperature as a range format specification, pair tuple. Cool, bunch of types are supported by format. There is example code. Fried richness. Thank you for Lux, for wishing me Lux in my journey of game development. So let me ask AI. So for some reason stat format, how I can set the number of floating point digits, how to set the number of floating point digits. Okay, colon 1 to F, so like this. Okay. So there is a lot of jittering, and this is the scene of font for the people who is making fonts. So digits in the font should be monospace regardless of the font, if monospace or not monospace, because of exact that issue. Yeah, so I need to I really like the font, but I kind of have to change to some monospace font. So what font I have? Process assets font. What? Oh, Deja Vu Sans. So it's probably should set the font, text, color, size. Deja Vu Sans. So it's after text, yeah. So like this. Let's see if going to jitter or not. Yeah, there is no jittering anymore. Let's ask AI how to add thousands, comma. L capital. So it should be L capital. It is hallucinated, which has no separator. I'm getting that error. Let me plop it to AI, we'll see what it would say. Oh, okay. It should be like this. No. Is not constant expression. It still doesn't do the thing. Should be like this. Hey! there is a no so it says I should do that. Oh yeah, it did work. Cool. Oh yeah. It's not jittering. The font is kind of like this, but it's fine, I guess. Okay. Okay, so HP, mana, stats. XP, next level to XP, HP, mana, hunger, energy, all labels. Level. I guess level and XP can be combined. Level XP. Okay. I don't think I should put text, so there is no text. Let's remove text. No need for text. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. X level XP and should say level stats level XP XP slash next level XP.
Elielt's asked, is it playable yet?
It is not playable. I mean, I can play, but there is no Windows build. Windows build I'm going to make 2027. I'm going to make the demo in 2027. But the game, of course, playable. So probably I should space it out. Do two. So I can do probably 60 here. So 1, 2. Like do 1 times 62. 3, 4, 5, 6. And put 6 here. Put the space here. HP, mana, mana. Mana, mana, mana. Hunger, thirst, and energy. Hunger, thirst, and energy. Hunger, thirst, energy. Hunger, G. Hunger, hunger. Thirst, thirst, thirst. Energy. So maybe I should make XP on the next line. And have icons for that. So let's put icons instead of text. I think it would be more interesting. So those rates are super slow. So it's literally showing 0. Let's do 3 for them. So still slow. Oh my god. So it should be 4 maybe. Yeah, I think it should be fine per second. Okay, so so I would put icons, so that should go. As well, I will split that, so it's gonna be XP like this. That should go. That's go. That's go. So this is 0 1 0. Okay. Like this, and level XP 2 3 4 5 6 7, and as well I would have icons. Okay, HP image asset equals HP and now let's see how it's gonna look like. Oh, we crashed. It's called differently. Health, mana. Oh, wait a second, I don't have icons. I do not have separate icons. Oh, okay. Funny. No problem, I'll make them. Open. Stats gauge. Oh no, this is the wrong one. Pie menu, stats icon, open. It's a 50 by 50. Control C, file new 50/50. Okay. Transparency, paste. Layer to image size. File, save as HP icon. Any way to size? Okay, 50 by 50. Oh. Control C. I know I can probably put it here. Delete layer. Save as energy icon. Control C. Delete layer. Control C. Save as man icon. So making icons and hunger icon. Control C, Control V. Delete that. Hunger icon. And last one is thirst icon. Control C, Control V. Delete layer. Save as thirst icon. Save. Now I need to update this one. I'm just going to mana, HP, hunger, thirst, and energy. I'm just going to put it in the at the bottom. So ideally I should sort them. Okay, let's sort them. Keys, set variable case folding, so sort case, fold case, sort fold case. Yes. Okay. What happened with that? It gets sorted. So I'm not seeing the image. Interesting. Stats UI, ICO, HP, ICO, HP, position. So that one should be moved by 30. Mana, hunger, thirst, energy is moved by 30 pixels, and that one bottom left. What the frick is this? Oh, it's a position. I see. So I need to as well. So I have a position, but I need to set bottom left and top right. So bottom left equals. I guess I just need to set top right. Top right 30. 30, and that should do the trick. Okay. So I need to set up the tint equals label color. Why you're not happy? No variable from vec3. So it should be vec4, I guess. Interesting. Label color. It's vec3. Hey Kyle, good morning. It's pretty well. So this is my stats, and just tweaking the UI to make sure it looks nice. So I guess everything should move a little bit. And probably I can probably put the space, right? So I can just tweak it this way. I can put colon. Yeah, and it's little bit big for some reason. So maybe I can make it smaller. So I made 30. So let's try to make it 25. Maybe 25 is better size. Yeah, I guess that works. So this is HP, and so let's do mana, and 4 here, hunger, 5, thirst, 6, energy, 7. So cute. How do I measure my progress? It's very simple. I can show you. So I have to-do list, and there is checkboxes here. So, and some of checkboxes are selected. So essentially it's a ratio of selected checkboxes versus unselected checkboxes. So here's it. It's 1417 lines. So this is, of course, there is some those titles, but this is roughly amount of checkbox to do items, and this is how I measure my progress. And it's a waterfall style. I just planned everything in advance for next 2 years and just go through it. So this is list of NPCs, and each NPC needs like concept art, and it goes through first iteration, quests, and so on. Yeah, and there is a script as well, which does to do completion. I did not write the script. I mean, it's very simple script, so AI can do it for me. I don't need to. And as well, it's written in Python. I cannot program in Python, so it just goes through that. And as well as prints how many days since the project started. So if I open my docs to do completion and run it, and it will show the progress and how many days since project starts. Yeah, I don't think it does work very well for me, because it's kind of my personality. I like checklists, and it gives me satisfaction, like mark stuff and see the progress. And you know, I think this feature is implemented, and I can put the checkbox on it. Yeah, I think we have everything here. There is a armor, but it would be super easy to add. Still do not have any armor stats. Almost every developer likes checkboxes. Maybe I should put like a space in between. Yeah, let me space separate that. I guess it's gonna look better. Stats UI. So what kind of game are you working, Kyle? What kind of game are you working on? Yeah, I think it reads better. Yeah, let's play test that. So level 35, and if I go out, oh, you're making the engine? Weapons free zone. Weapons free zone. I missed. God damn it.
Systems enhanced.
Weapons free zone. Back to safety. So, everything maxed. Hungers goes down slowly. And this is, yeah. Oh, you want actually make an engine. I don't know. Honestly, I would recommend to make the game. So the question, maybe these icons are too small. I think they are reading quite well. So maybe they are good. So that button. Core engine that suits every type of game, not like a general engine. What the difference? What the difference between general engine and core engine? So I probably should move this close button. So let me quickly move in. How I can do it? I guess I can. Okay, I know how I can do it. It will be to basic engine. Inventory UI, and there is a close button. Close. So button close. And I should go to the player. Oh. Player. Button close, so delete that. Go to, oh my god, what's going on? Go to player. Button close. Inventory UI. Button close. Player. And put it here. Have tabs. On close. And we would do that. On close. It's on click, so on click. Toggle inventory. return true. I do not have much information about the engine. I am in learning process from scratch. Okay. Include button. So include button here, and inventory UI. Remove that from here. So on close, we don't need on close here. Get rid of on close. Yeah. Removed. Yeah, that's all removed. Top right. I'm not sure why it's oh yeah. Because it's not UI. Okay. Top right. Anyways, where is it? Oh man, the font is so big I cannot see too much. I need small font. I'm sorry. I need small font. The font is too big. Tabs. So top right is this one. Okay. Hopefully it is what I want. Because of font, too big font. Oh, okay. GLM vec2. Okay, I figured out stuff. I can make the font big now. Hey! So the cross is moved here. I'm not sure if I liking it here. I guess it's fine. I'm wondering if I should multiply everything by 100 here. Because I do not like too many decimal points. Travis uses C. Who is Travis? Maybe I should do 1000. Maybe 3 after is fine, so put 3 here. And let's see how it's gonna look like with level 0. Travis Vroman. I do not know that guy. Travis Vroman. Since and Pixel Pusher converts caffeine into code. Stupid duck. Oh, he's one of the he streams on YouTube. I should follow him. YouTube. Oh, I am following him. I am already subscribed. I guess he's not streaming too very often. Streamed 13 days ago. Yeah, I guess this is why I kind of I'm subscribed, but it did not trigger in my brain because infrequent streams. Okay, so let me go to gameplay. He had an operation player. So let me put player 0, 0, I don't know, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Oh, operation, surgery. You meant surgery. I see. This is why he is not streaming. Yeah, this the rate is too slow here. It's essentially 0. How I can address that? So that we can make 1 decimal point, but here, like if I put 2 decimal points, would it help? I mean, I do understand you. Turn. So this is, I think this is okay, but this one, I need, what should I do? HP and mana. I guess that is fine. So let me return back and see how it's gonna look like with high values. Oh man, it's always doing that. Yeah, I think that is fine. So I probably can put 3 floating point values here for it. It's fine. So like this one is noisy, but here like a 3 decimal points should be fine. Now I guess let's put 3 decimal points to all of them. 3, 3, 3. And probably let's do it for XP as well. I don't know if I'm liking it. Let me ask AI. Would it be possible to take in the account decimal points floating now what the name was it? Integer value, for example 1.001 would show 1 floating digit, but Hmm. Value digits. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't know. It's okay. I think it's okay. I'll put free as well here. I guess, yeah. Ah. Let's put 2 here and call it a day. Yep, I think that looks good. Okay, so I'm going to mark my to-do. Stats. Bar element. Display current level, HP progress, health. That. And armor only is not implemented. Character sheet text progress bar elements. Okay. Make the commit and go sleep. Stats UI implement all implement showing all player stats except armor.
Implement showing all player stats except armor.
I guess I can do one-liner. Show all player stats except armor. I don't know. Stats UI. Move, close button from inventory UI to player.
Move close button from inventory UI to player.
I guess I put dots. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, I'm done. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.